Hello everyone, this is Dwayne with Mini Tech Bits. Got another quick ITX case review for you all. Today we're going to cover the Cryorig TAKU. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Please leave a like and subscribe as that helps me out a lot. If you're not new, welcome back and thank you for your support. Anyway, this is the TAKU. I have a real love-hate relationship with this case. To begin, it's considered an ITX case as it only supports ITX motherboards. It harkens back to the designs of old desktop computers before vertical cases were the norm. And obviously it has a beautiful design, which is the main reason why I picked it up. Here are some quick specs. It is fully aluminum with a plastic front face and wooden legs. It supports up to a 47mm CPU cooler. It supports SFX and SFXL power supplies. It's 15 liters, and it also supports a dual slot GPU up to 280mm in length. Now, this case is unique in the sense that the components are housed in a removable tray. This tray slides out with a simple push mechanic that also locks it in place. Removing the tray is as simple as pushing the two tabs on either side of it. It also has plenty of space for additional drives. So I mentioned earlier that I have a love-hate relationship with this case. I honestly wanted to love this case. This was supposed to be my main case, but things changed. The reason why is because the thermal management was an absolute nightmare. Because the case only supports a CPU cooler height of 47mm, your options are extremely limited. I tried many thermal solutions from different CPU coolers, thermal pastes, additional case fans, intake exhaust setups, etc., but this case chokes out the CPU like crazy due to awful air circulation. It gets hot, and when I say hot, I mean really hot. I've been playing New World, and the CPU, I have a 5600X, Ryzen 5600X, CPU would get up to 95 degrees Celsius, sometimes up to 98, and my computer would shut off. It gets hot because all the components are smashed in there, and it's almost impossible to use this case for a gaming rig. This case is better off using low-powered CPUs or GPUs, or as an HTPC or business machine. I have seen some people on Reddit mod the case to support an all-in-one cooler for the CPU. This seems to be the only real way to cool it. Anyway, let's jump into the pros and cons. Pros: it's got a very simple layout for easy building. It has an easily removable tray design for convenient access. The design itself is gorgeous. It also contains a side panel I/O, which is two USB 3.0 slots and an audio jack. It also saves space on your desk as you can place your monitor on top of the case and you can put things underneath the case itself. For the cons, well, you'll most likely need custom power cables or cable extensions since the PSU is on the other side of the case. It gets extremely hot because of the terrible air circulation. It's expensive. At the time of recording, this is about $200 US. And also, it's quite large for an ITX case. Like I said, it's 15 liters, and if you count the legs, it's 25 liters, so it's up there. Anyway, that's it for the Cryorig TAKU. It's a gorgeous case with its set of problems. If this was helpful in any way, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you want to see more case reviews, please subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.